Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to register your business on Easwipe Work. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and type work.easwipe.com into the search bar. Press Enter. You will now see the login page. This is where existing users log into their accounts. If you are new, look just below the login button. You'll find the text, "Don't have an account yet? Sign up." Simply click on the sign up link to proceed. Now the sign up form will appear. Here you need to fill in your basic details to create your business account. Start by entering your company name, the name of the business you want to register, your name, this will act as the admin name, a valid email address, this will be used for account verification and communication. Finally, create a password. Remember, your password must have at least 8 characters to ensure security. Once you've filled out all the details, click on the sign up button. Now you'll see a message that says, "Thank you for taking the time to sign up with us. We are excited to have you on board. Your company is not approved yet. Please wait for the company approval." This means your company registration is now waiting for approval. Don't worry, this process will be completed within 1 hour. Once approved, you will receive an email from Easwipe, and you can log in using the same email and password you just created. After approval, simply go back to work.easwipe.com, enter your login credentials, and access your admin dashboard. From here, you'll be able to manage your company, departments, employees, and more, all in one place. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more videos to help you make the most of Easwipe Work.